Hey y'all, welcome back to a new vlog. Today, well, okay, let me start with the fact that I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in like 2-3 weeks. So hopefully I can make it up to y'all, okay? But what is this little I was gonna say, but yeah, welcome back to the new vlog, or welcome if you're new. Hey, my name is Selena, and yeah, so today I'm trying to pick up healthy habits. So today I'm trying pilates at home because I really want to be able that, like, every day I move my body, like, no matter what. Like, if I stay in the house, well, I'll do that. If I go outside, I'll go to the gym, or I have to do something. So today's pilates, I'm trying it for the first time. I'm doing if you guys watch, was it Love is Blind? I think it was Love is Blind with Raven. She was like a pilates instructor, so she's the one she's gonna be my instructor for today. Well, online, because I'm in the house, right? Because she has a YouTube channel. So if you guys are into pilates and want to try like non-reformer, because I love reformer pilates, but it's a little expensive, so we're gonna have to do it at home with a little yoga mat, a little yoga mat. So at least I'm gonna use it for something. I might do yoga too. Yoga is actually pretty smart to do. So I can intertwine them, whatever, yoga and Pilates. I have a few things. So pretty much this winter break is about picking up new healthy habits. So maybe I should make it a series. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. Like new woman. No, anyways, we'll see. And then I have to cook and do some meal planning for next week. I'll try to do it based on what we already have at home, because I can't afford to do groceries, or I'm gonna just ask my parents to buy stuff that I feel like I really need. I'm really in my saving era, because I have a lot of big expenses coming in the next year, right? Like my license, taking my NCLEX, moving, like there's a whole marriage. Well, it's gonna be like a courthouse, but it's still money to be spent, you know what I mean? So immigration papers, because I'm not only moving out, I'm moving out of the country. Like, it's a whole thing, right? So yeah, I need to be in my saving rooms. It might be a little too late. I might have started the saving right a little too big, because 2025 is in a month, less than a month. So yeah, anyways, all this to say, oh my god, no, let me add a little more to my tangent. I asked, I wanted to pick up more shift because it's winter break. Like, I got nothing else to do. Like, put me in, and they just gave me my regular schedule. But I don't know if the schedule girly forgot to put me in, because I asked like a few weeks ago. So I'm like, maybe she forgot. So I was like, how do I email her to ask if she forgot or not? Because if she didn't forget, now I just look like a POS. Like, I just look real bad, because it's like I'm doing too much, you know what I mean? But if she genuinely forgot and I'm not asking her, then she will never know that she forgot, you know what I mean? So yeah, anyways, hopefully, because right now I'm working every other weekend, so let's say she did not forget. In my email I was asking to be able to work every weekend, so it doesn't look like I'm I'm talking about the scheduling, really, you know what I mean? Because then whatever she's like, even she says, oh my god, well, technically, I don't know why she would say no, but she will end up looking at my schedule, right, to be like if she says yes, like she'll have to go to my schedule and add it in, and then she will realize, oh, why is she not working? You know what I mean? Does that make sense? Anyways, so yeah, and if I don't know, because even working every weekend is not enough. Like, I really wanted to work full time. So I don't know, like, do I have to pick up another job? Like, I feel like that's so annoying. And if I do pick up another job, it has to be like a desk job or something. I just don't want to go through. Oh my god, that was a crazy tangent. Just to say that yeah, let's do some Pilates. That was something else. Oh, later. Okay, so I have Pilates, then cooking / meal planning, and then at the end, towards the end of the day, I'm gonna be streaming. So I don't know for how long, so I didn't really add another thing to do. I'm trying to have 2-3 like goals of the day, so I don't get overwhelmed with everything I want to do, you know? Yeah. I was gonna say something with that. Oh, here she go. Every time she hears something or whatever. Anyways, I really want another habit that I want to get into that is not necessarily today, because I didn't put it on my agenda, on my planner. I really want to pick up like editing every day. Even if I don't film, at least I'm editing, so I can like not be too behind in editing, and then I have to edit. Camille, arrête. And then, like, because then when you're too behind, you have to, like, edit everything at once, and that's overwhelming. That's too much. Hey. Anyways, let's get into the Pilates. I'm not a player, I just fuck a lot. Still a hater, elevator to the top 5. See you later, I'm going. Penthouse suite, penthouse race, in-house beach, fresh house seats, 10,000 east, right out east, with an option to buy. Cop of the 5 of bins for when I'm not. Roll from the sky, roll from the line. With my twinsito, up in the Benzito, with my Kiko from Queens, the king ready go. Hey, so I finished my Pilates session. Honestly, could have done better. I gave up a few times, but it's okay. We'll try again tomorrow morning. I put some fish in the oven because I did not want to be on the stove. Like, I had like 5 fillets to cook, and I was like, no. So I'm pretty much gonna have fish and rice for the next few days until I cook again. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I'm probably gonna cook again like in the next few days, but you know, again, did not want to overwhelm myself. The word of the day is overwhelmed. So while the filet is in the oven, I'm just gonna take a shower, and it should be ready by then. Yeah. Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things don't not come easy, no. Never been your average girl. So take time. Hey y'all, so today we're Saturday. Today on the agenda I have clean my keyboard and mouse. Mind you, it's real dirty. See, I'm a little bit ashamed. So I'm like following this YouTube tutorial. I found like this because my keyboard is white, so I really wanted to be like a white, you know, a white keyboard tutorial, whatever. So I have the tutorial. He had a really nice brush in the video, but actually I might just put his name like here or something when what was I gonna say, if you guys want to clean your keyboard or if you like the results or whatever. Well, he's probably doing it better than me anyways, because it's my first time doing it. It's that bad. Anyways, I want to change my space button, so That's why I have alcohol wipes, cause duh. How you a nurse, you don't have alcohol wipes? I probably need more, but anyways. Keep or whatever. And he asked for a brush, but I didn't really have a nice brush like he had, so I'm using this. It's like the like if you have an electric brush, it's like a replacement. It fell out of the packet, and I was like, I'm not gonna put this in my mouth, so I'm not gonna use it. My second option would have been a edge brush, like one I'm not using anyways or something. Anyways, whatever. Yeah. Oh, I have to unplug my keyboard for this, huh? So this is a before. It's crusty, dusty. Probably shit would fall out if I do this. That is so disgusting.
You've got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad mind. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, being unnice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I never do this to you.